most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi folks, I'm Bob Shaw, physical therapist.
Brad Heine, physical therapist.
Together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
This video is kind of an instructional video, Brad, just trying to tell you how to use our program. It's called Painful Shoulder, Which Exercises Help? Posture, Stretching, Strengthening, See Our Guide. So what we're going to ask you to do, you're going to go to bobandbrad.com. You're going to go to the not the giveaway section. You're going to go to the program section.
Right.
And under the program section, we have a whole bunch of videos under shoulder pain.
Right.
Under shoulder pain, look for these 4 videos. Well, look for this one first, because under this one, we have a printout underneath it, a PDF, and it'll explain everything you're supposed to do. It's gonna show you which exercises you should do on which days and for how long.
This is really a comprehensive program. I can't believe that we're pretty generous on offering this.
That's right. We're giving
free.
this for free. No, we don't even need your email at all.
Yeah, this is just because we want to get people
because
better.
we love you.
Yes.
So you're going to read this one first, then you're going to watch 4 videos. It's the 4 videos we have on exercises.
Right.
And then look at the schedule, and the schedule will tell you when to do those 4 exercises.
And each video has a PDF with
each video
pictures of the exercises, so you don't have to keep watching the videos over and over.
I hope it's not too confusing. If it is, let us know, and we'll try to simplify it.
Right.
But right now, the first video that you're going to watch, that's going to show you how to do exercises, and I hope it's up, because we're uploading these one at a time at night.
Yeah.
So
day after day.
It's called Fix Shoulder Pain Permanently, 2 Simple Exercises. That video addresses posture. So if you're wondering which exercise should you do, posture, stretching, strengthening, eventually you're going to be doing all of them.
Starting typically with posture.
Starting with posture. Always starts with posture.
Yep.
The second video is called the Bob and Brad Shoulder Pain Stretching Program. So that's about stretching.
Right. So basically in the therapy world, you want your posture, your foundation, then you want range of motion.
Exactly.
And a lot
of times after the range is starting to improve, then we're going to do strengthening.
Right.
So our third video is how to strengthen a painful shoulder.
There
Just as simple as that.
Right.
The final video we have on exercises for our shoulder is hanging. Will simple hanging help your shoulder pain? This is the work of Dr. Kirsch, orthopedic surgeon. And Brad and I kind of debated on when should we include this, because you can use it if your shoulder pain is not getting better.
Right.
Maybe the ones that exercises we gave you aren't working.
This one could be used early.
Yep.
But because hanging is kind of a different exercise.
Yeah, it doesn't really fit in with our genre.
Yeah, you're going to have to watch that video to see if it's going to be appropriate for you and at what phase.
Yeah, and you can use it. You could possibly start it right away along with our other ones and do it as an adjunct. Doesn't take much time to hang. All you need is a bar, or we're going to show our hanging handles on that video.
Right.
So
that's a good one if you're interested to get the book from him. It's a small book. It doesn't cost very much, and he does a great job explaining too.
So again, not really any help per se on this video. This video is just to instruct you what to do.
Yep.
Go ahead and find this video on our website and print out the schedule, and then go watch the other 4 videos.
There you go.
All right. Thanks.
Good luck with everything.